Hello everyone. Now let's have a look. What are we gonna do here? You have to get the sheet. Now get the eyes made and then the mouth part. Further you have to make the tail and decorate it further. Now get the crumbs of sheets. You have to roll them together and then get the Fevicol spread into this manner and you have to paste all the crumbs in this way and your lion is ready. Now get the shell of an egg tray, you have to cut it in this shape and position. Now further you need to color it in this manner, get the button, paste it inside it and now you have to just get them all with the help of straws, attach them. Now here you have to get the sheets, make up a pineapple, then on the top of it you have to paste the leaves and all. Now you have to get the cylindrical rolls. Now you have to paste them in a horizontal position like this and get them beautifully arranged. Isn't it amazing? Now get a plastic cup, you have to cut in between, get the incisions. Now you have to fold them and get the circular sheets arranged in this manner. Further here you have to get them beautifully arranged like this. You need to paste them in this manner. Now just keep on rolling them and folding them in this position and get them beautifully attached like this. Now get the leaves made. Here also you have to get them beautifully arranged in this manner to make it look even more interesting.